Welcome to our lesson on constructing regular polygons by inscribing them in a circle. We'll learn how to create perfect shapes with equal sides and angles, all starting with a simple circle. First, let's define a regular polygon. It's a flat shape that has two main properties. All of its sides are the exact same length, and all of its internal angles are equal. Think of a perfect triangle, a square, or a pentagon. When we say we are inscribing a polygon, it means we are drawing it inside a circle so that all of its corners, or vertices, just touch the edge of the circle. The circle acts as a perfect guide for our construction. The secret to this method is the central angle. If you draw lines from the center of the circle to any two adjacent corners of the polygon, you create an angle. To find its size, you simply divide 360 degrees by the number of sides the polygon has. Let's try making a square, which has 4 sides. 360 divided by 4 gives us 90 degrees. So, we draw a circle, mark a starting point, and then measure 90-degree angles from the center to find each of the 4 corners. Then, we connect the dots. For an equilateral triangle, we need 3 sides. 360 divided by 3 is 120 degrees. Starting from the top of our circle, we measure an angle of 120 degrees to find the next point, and then do it again to find the third. Connecting these 3 points gives us a perfect equilateral triangle. Now for a hexagon, which has 6 sides. The central angle is 360 divided by 6, which is 60 degrees. A unique trick for the hexagon is that the length of each side is exactly the same as the circle's radius. You can simply measure the radius and then step it around the circle 6 times. A pentagon has 5 sides, so its central angle is 72 degrees. After drawing your circle and picking a starting point, you'll need to measure 72 degrees from the center for each of the 5 vertices. It requires a bit more care, but the principle is the same. Once the points are marked, connect them. So the process is always the same, no matter the polygon. First, draw your circle. Second, calculate the central angle by dividing 360 by the number of sides. Third, mark the vertices around the circle using that angle. And fourth, connect the points. And that's it. You now understand the fundamental method for constructing any regular polygon inside a circle. With a compass and a protractor, you can create geometrically perfect shapes of your own.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.